What's the meaning of Advent? Advent. 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 Advent is a noun that refers to the arrival or coming of something important or significant. Specifically, it usually refers to the period leading up to Christmas in many Christian traditions. During this time, people often observe various spiritual practices and traditions in anticipation of celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ. Overall, the meaning of Advent centers around the idea of waiting and preparing for something meaningful and significant, whether that be a religious observance or some other important event or milestone.